Alright, this next step is supposed to be quite straightforward. You're going to need one of these bearings that you'll find inside this box. And then the other ones are also, I think they're washers, though they call them something else on here. And so they're inside these green packages, so we'll take them out. Should have got scissors. One and two. There we go, just take them all out. And I'm going to put a little bit of grease on this. Usually I'd use the good WD-40, I think it's called. But since we won't be able to access this much to do this kind of greasing, so I'll do this first. And then I will use the other kind later on. But I'll just put a little bit in here. Again, this is not the best way to do it, but it's just the way that I'm doing it right now. I can always take the machine apart again later to do it a better job. Alright, and then this will go on the other side like this. And again, you can always sneak in some WD-40. There we go. The next step is done. See you in the next video.